video, but I'll just start. So basically, I'm from Credixon. Thank you for having me here. We are a revolutionary fantasy gaming platform with innovative game modes for cricket and football. So fantasy gaming is a sunrise industry, and it has some inherent issues that we are here to solve. We are revolutionizing the industry. So when you think of fantasy, you think of that one. You think of a traditional fantasy contest type of game mode, and there is no player involvement in deciding odds. Like the odds are usually fixed. There's less engagement for the user. Also, there's a low level of engagement in terms of statistics and fan engagement that the user gets to engage with the actual game. So this is where we come in. Credixon is offering unique game modes, including a player accumulator where you can buy player shares. We are basically fusing stock market ideas into the world of fantasy sports. Along with that, we are providing a lot of data and statistics to the user. So this includes team information, player information, series information, live scorecard, a lot of information for engagement for the user, so that they can enhance, they can use the skill aspect and basically win rewards. Apart from that, we also have a user-oriented algorithm, which basically means that customers make their own odds. There are no fixed odds. If it's the share market, people will buy player shares, and the odds will be decided according to that. Yeah, so a little more about our game modes. We have a player accumulator where you can buy player shares. The interesting bit here is that you don't know what the return is going to be like, because it depends on the users who take what shares and how many shares are taken. Apart from that, we also have matches contests and series contests where you can make your team for a particular match, or even for a particular tournament or a duration of a tournament, like playoffs or just the semi-finals or the group stages. So in terms of competition, we've just recently launched in India. We'll be registering in Dubai very soon and launching in the UK markets as well as the African markets. I have a list of our competitors here, and as you can see, we are ticking all the boxes. Also, the competitors have been funded in multiple rounds, which shows that this is a sunrise industry with a lot of potential. So our main USPs are that we have detailed player and match data, user influence and payoffs, and an exceptional UI, which I was supposed to show you through the video. Yeah, so we are targeting India and the UK. We're targeting mainly cricket and football fans above 18 years of age, and big data and finance enthusiasts who can make use of stats to make informed judgments, which is why we are offering a lot of stats on our platforms. Yeah, so basically a revenue stream is fixed, like it's a 20% or 25% commission.